Okay, let's continue from here. Of course, we stop here. Let's continue from there. That is, you have m minus 1 all into again that m minus 8 all is equal to 0. So that is, we want to partition these two. That is, m minus 1 is equals to 0, or m minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, so we get a value for m here. So what do we need to do? We have m is equal to 0. The minus 1 is going to be equal to sign change to what? Plus 1. Value m here is 1. Or m is equal to, the negative 1 is going to equal to sign, what do we do? Change to what? 8. Okay. But initially we know that the value for m here, is equal to what? X, 3 to the power x. Is that okay? But m here is equal to 3 to the power x. So we are going to write this value for m here to be what? 3 to the power x. And we're going to write again m here, which is 8, is equal to what? 3 to the power x. Okay? So, therefore, we now have the value for m here is 3 to the power x. So, therefore, 3 to the power x is equal to what? 1. Okay? So, we're going to solve this one first. Then later we can solve this, because our concern here is for us to look out for the value for x. So, under indices, we want to see here is the left-hand side and here is the right-hand side. So we want to satisfy both the left and the right-hand side. Okay, so what do we do? Since this is 3, we want to raise a number. We want to raise 3 to a power that can give us 1. So under law of indices, it's only 3 to the power 0 that can give us 1. So looking at the value, both the left and the right-hand side are the same. So we cancel. So the value for x here is equal to 0. That's the first value for x. Okay, so we've solved this one. So we want to again see here m is equal to what? 8. But we know the value for m is 3 to the power x. So therefore, e to the power x is equal to 8. Okay. So here again, we want to satisfy both the left and the right-hand side. This is the left-hand side. And here is what? The right-hand side. Okay. But if you can take a look at this, there's no way we can raise 3 to any power that can give us 8. So this is impossible. So what do? We apply logarithm law. Of course, we apply logarithm both sides. Of course, if you involve my video, we've done that one. So what do we have? We now have 3 to the power x is equal to 8. So if we apply logarithm both the left and the right-hand side, what do we have? We have log 3 to the power x is equal to log 8. Okay? So if you have watched my previous video, can you please work this one out and give me the value for x? Because we've done the first example and it has to do with logarithm here. So can you please use that value that video that you watched? If you watched that video, can you please look at that video and you look at that example and solve the value for x in this relation? Please put the answer in the comment section. So what will be the value for x here? What will be the value for x? From this point, what will be the value? Once more, this is Maury Victor Yopo. You can call me Yopo. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And please put the value for x in the comment section.